Jordan brand continues its Lunar New Year tradition with the Jordan Trunner O's Year of the Horse, a performance-inspired lifestyle sneaker created for the 2026 celebration. This release updates the Trunner silhouette with a strong focus on symbolism, texture, and premium materials. The upper features a layered mix of rugged mesh, hairy suede, and smooth textiles, finished in earthy brown and tan tones that reflect strength, endurance, and resilience associated with the Year of the Horse. Black suede mudguards add contrast, structure, and durability. Classic Trunner elements return, including the molded midfoot strap, highlighted by subtle gold Jordan branding for a refined touch. Additional details like patterned lace loops, embroidered tongue accents, and stitched heel tabs enhance the Lunar New Year theme. Underfoot, a chunky, performance-driven sole delivers everyday comfort, stability, and traction. The Jordan Trunner O's Year of the Horse is expected to release in early 2026 as part of Jordan Brand's Lunar New Year collection.